Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell Alienware 13 laptop driver. So first you have to come this website www.dell.com. Then click on support and then click on driver download. Then you enter the name. Alienware 13. Select this. After that you can see this like this screen. Scroll down. Select the driver. You can click on automatic, so automatically you will install driver. If you want to facing some issue selected, so you can select the driver, then select the first operating system. Scroll down, then click on category so you can easy to find. Then scroll down, this is BIOS driver, this is NVIDIA, and you can see the all driver you can see here. So this is audio driver, just click to download. So guys, audio driver is downloaded, so single click to open. Then click on yes. After that audio code and click on install. Now you can see it is installing the driver, preparing installations. Then next. So wait few seconds. So guys, you can install, after install restart and restart later process. So no, you will restart later.